welcome back, guys. I want to do something a bit different for this video today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the anglerfish cave with this dude. We're going to shine this light at him. We're going to shoot this at him. And then we're going to take the big crates, bring them back here, and then we're going to open them all at the end of the video. So stay tuned to see that. Okay, well that was unintentional.
You're pulling your grenade out.
Oh, he is! Help! Dude. Okay, dude, come. Dude, why? Whoa! Yeah, scoop the crate up. Scoop it up. Hurry. Scoop it. Good. We gotta head back. Hurry before Angie respawns. Do you have one?
No.
Restocking time, guys. We're out of grenades. Okay, guys, we're about to restock on grenades. I'll get a few. I didn't mean to make that live. Okay, restocked. We're going back. Okay, we're gonna kill this damn, I don't know what to call him. Anglerfish, yeah.
Fishy.
I literally forgot his name.
Fishy, fishy, fishy.
I'm just fishing right now.
Eat me.
We have to go down, dude. We have to go down, I'm afraid. Come on. To get anglerfish. Come on. Stop being such a win. Okay. Anglerfish. Anglerfish. I see anglerfish. What a snipe! Dude, come get the crate. Dude, come on. Run, run. Big guy, big guy. Run.
I'm heading up.
Same, I'm heading up.
You can't catch me on the gingerbread man. Oh.
Try scoop it, try scoop it, try scoop it, try scoop it. Where are you? Dude, scoop it now, scoop it! Any second now, hurry, get it! Run! Big guy!
Get out.
Guys, we're heading back, come on. Okay. That was crazy, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, let me restock. Alright. Okay, we restocked.
What the hell?
Dude, anglerfish. Well, how long is it taking for him to respawn?
Oh,
Sure, I think he's just respawning.
He's here.
Oh, he's here! Woo! Ah! Oh, he did die. I didn't know he died.
Dude, that was terrifying because he just appeared.
Okay, let's go, let's go. I think one more and then we're ready to go.
Yeah.
Stay up high, get up high, yeah. Alright. Come on! Also, I know that. I know. Anglerfish, respawn! Oh! Dude! Okay, I'm back. The big dude can't get here. Come on. Come on. Scoop it.
Damn, put a scoop.
Oh, I just, wait. Okay, there. It was in my crossbow. Okay, well, let's just bring this back. We're gonna open all the crates, okay. Spew the crates out, spew the crates out, spew the crates out. See how many you got?
Big crate. I'll show little. Oh! random
Let's
public
open
lobby,
them.
we'll
Okay,
try that.
first crate. A grenade? That isn't bad.
Second
Okay, you
crate.
go. Oh, okay,
firework.
that isn't horrible. Another
Now I'm
grenade.
not in crippling debt.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll go. Guys, oh. This is probably the worst thing
Oh.
you can get. Okay.
Yeah, it does nothing.
It's great. Okay, that was horrible. Anyways, thanks for watching so much. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. And goodbye!